I made you dinner.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I called that little phone over there and it just arrived. How extra is that? Goodbye to the Blue Derby pods ride. Tell you what, this was a one-of-a-kind experience, Jono. What do you reckon?
Yeah, they got an epic location.
And who knew you were so good at mountain biking?
Who knew? Who knew?
I'm actually really proud of myself for doing that. But it's absolutely beautiful here. We're saying goodbye because we're about to go head to a floating sauna nearby.
Yeah, what a great after ride activity.
I think so. Let's do it.
Do you know where we're going now?
A little bit. Literally everything we've been to has been hidden in Derby, both the pods and now the sauna. I'm very intrigued. Refreshing. What do you think?
Yeah, it's not very cold. It's actually quite warm, the water.
It's so beautiful in that water. Absolutely stunning. Note to self, bring a towel. We are drip drying, but I don't even care. I'm just absolutely stoked. So we are in Launceston now. We are going to be shooting a couple of home tours, very exciting. So we're checking into Pepper's Silo Hotel. Very excited to see this. They're converted silos.
It looks quite cool.
It does.
I want to see our view.
So do I. Lucy and Jono checking in.
Level 7, so
Thank
you'll be staying
you.
in an actual silo as well.
Where does this dog belong to?
The hotel.
This belongs. Can I loan it?
While you're here.
He's like, are you gonna take me for a walk? I'll take you for
While
a
you're
walk. Oh my gosh, there is a dog for hire. I love this place. I'm freaking out. I'm taking Archie for a walk.
Yeah, I know you will.
I'm so excited. We've been told we can't do it between 4 and 5 because he knows it's dinner time and he just won't go. I just love that. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Oh, you got the right one this time.
Yeah, it's the right one. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, look at that curve. Oh, I like that. I love it. We're legit in a silo, Jono.
I know, how cool is it?
That
Still got
is-
the curved raw wall.
I love that. That is really quite special. Oh, wow. So there's 4 silos. I think there's 4 silos. So it looks like we're in like the second last one, closest to the water. Oh, so good, Jono. I don't know where you're sleeping, but I'm sleeping right here. Oh God, it's huge. Oh wow. Oh, they still get the repeat of the edge of the silo. Oh, that's cool. So what, toilet and a shower through there? Oh yeah. Shall we chill out? Do you want me to put on the kettle?
Put on the kettle.
Launceston breakfast. Never had a Launceston breakfast before.
You love your tea.
I do.
What have you got?
I made you dinner.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I called that little phone over there and it just arrived. There is a beef burger for you, sir.
Yes.
And a grain salad for me in bed with some sparkling and, I mean, boss life. Cheeky Pinot. So, that is us
That
sorted.
smells excellent.
Alright, let's eat it.
I love the Cape Grim sparkling fancy waters. Burger.
Yank.
Hey.
How naughty. Drinking in bed. Ah, well rested. What do you reckon, Jono? Home tour time?
Yeah, I'm well rested. Those pillows are massive. Look how wide they are.
Yeah, that's good.
So comfy.
Been up early, gone to the gym, had a great brekkie. Now we're heading to Shearwater to do a let us in. Let's go.
Beep.
Just another day.
How's the gym? Busy?
No, I had it to myself. Literally no one else is up. It was great. It looks really, really good. I'm excited to get inside. Gosh, it's beautiful. Oh, I love it. That was a good home tour.
It was an excellent home tour.
Good, there's someone swimming out there now. Look at everyone, it's so nice. People are like riding past and you can't help but look up and be like, damn, that's a nice house. Yeah, it is. And it's coming soon to Hunting for George. Should
I
we go
reckon
get
it's
some
time to get a
lunch?
feed.
Yeah, I think so. Let's check
So
out
hungry.
Shearwater. But we'll say goodbye. This house is beautiful. Okay. Let's go. You scrub up very nicely, John O'Rod.
Don't know about scrub, but put clothes on.
Go on, I want to go check out this restaurant.
Going down. What?
Quit the B-roll. I'm
Why?
hungry.
Oh God.
Thank you very much. Do you want to let them feed us or do you want to choose?
I like to choose.
You like to choose. You
Yeah.
like to be in control of your food destiny.
Well, I like food, so I like to choose it.
Okay, good. Food puppy. Thank you so much. So that was the starters. Oysters and prawns. Cheers. Oh my goodness.
Give me all the salad.
You do make friends with salad.
You don't.
You do.
What have you got there?
I've got the yummiest pork loin chop I've ever seen. You know how much I like pork chops.
You do love pork chops.
They're like one of my favourites.
What have you got?
The pork chop ain't done until it's done, Jonah.
The best bit. Saving the best bit. Ooh, what did you order?
The panna cotta, they recommended it for sharing, and you're lucky I waited for you to come back from the bathroom, Jonah. Because
It could have all been gone. Tell me what it's like.
Oh, I will.
Oh, nice.
That was delicious.
So
and I was
good.
commended on my pork chop eating abilities from the staff.
Yeah.
Never before have they seen anyone gnaw so aggressively into a pork chop. Thank you so much, lads. That was beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Yorkie. Oh my gosh, it's gonna lie down so good. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, which means guess what it's time for?
Oh, I'm so hungry.
My favourite meal of the day. Let's go.
Going down.
Gonna eat all the food. It's a beautiful day. It's so sunny. Oh. So, Jono, I'm going to predict what you're going to get. You ready?
Hit prediction.
You're going to get the zucchini and scrambled eggs.
But should I get bacon or heirloom tomato herb salad?
Well, look, I mean, these are the tough choices you have to face on a daily basis. But,
Why can't we have both?
yeah. Yeah.
Are you happy with your selection?
Yeah, look at that muesli. It's got all my favourite things. It's got every single seedy bit. Sunflower seeds, we've got pepitas, we've got some flaxseed, all of the good seeds. Gotta have seeds. Are you happy?
Yeah. Wait.
Well, gotta get the bags to check out. On to our next adventure. Oh my gosh, I love this place so much. Every day I'm traveling. Oh, I've already sipped my... Oh, they're still sorry. I was just trying to drip dry.